everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2022 Chrysler Voyager LX. With just over 57,000 miles, this Chrysler Voyager is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It is front wheel drive. It does have one minor on the Carfax with one previous owner. Looking at the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 17-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire. We'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like paint match mirror caps and heated mirrors. You also have passive door entry and powered rear doors. Looking inside, you'll have a black and tan theme with nice elements such as leather, tan stitching, and some brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this Chrysler Voyager. And located inside the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report, where you can see all the tire depths are 10/30 seconds all the way around. The brake pads are brand new. Along with everything else, it's ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. And looking into the middle row, you can see this vehicle is equipped with captain's chairs, and they are Stow-and-Go, so they will fold down into that recess right here. And everything will fold flat for extra cargo space. Making our way to the rear of this Chrysler Voyager, you will notice your high definition rear camera, LED lighting, and you do have an automatic liftgate assist as well. As you can see, even with that third row up, you have plenty of space, nice deep storage area here, but all those seats do fold flat. And making our way to the driver door, you will notice your powered options such as powered door locks, windows, and mirror adjustments. On the inside, to the left of the steering wheel, you will have a general lamp selector and brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting. And here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, liftgate release, remote start, and all your powered doors. Additionally, you will have a panic. Upon startup, we can see just over 57,000 miles. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you'll have a selector for that center screen. And of course, you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right, you'll have some cruise control options. Looking to the center display, nice chrome trim around here in high gloss black elements. As you can see, this vehicle is equipped with your high definition rear camera with your guidance lines. And as far as audio is concerned, you will have your standard FM, AM, XM radio. And as you can see here, you can bring up your heated seats and your heated steering wheel here in the front. Down below, you will have your dial style shifter with an electronic parking brake. And in the middle, you will have your climate control with some simple radio controls up top, followed up with auto start and stop, traction control on and off, and your 4-ways right in the middle. Down below, you have a nice open concept here for plenty of storage options. And you also have USB, USB-C, and auxiliary there for alternative audio. Some more storage here with some coin dispensers. Nice deep center console here with another 12-volt, beverage holders, and of course your leather wrapped armrest. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. And under the hood, you will find a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Very clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection, this Chrysler Voyager has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this van. Keep in mind that as a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you will have some stone chips here on the hood. Not a lot of scuffs though, just a couple stone chips. Brand new ABS chip guard here. Down to the lower bumper, everything looks good. Your grille inserts are in good shape, no fading, no discoloration, and your headlights are nice and clear as well. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup. Here in the middle, you will have some blemishes. Up top here as well. Other than that, no curb rash or anything like that. Did want to mention you are going to have some scuffs here on the passenger side mirror cap, but all your chrome trim and high gloss black elements are in good shape. Small scuff here, and then you will have some blemishes here on the passenger side door handle. Looking on the inside, you're going to have some blemishes here on the passenger side door card. Here, as you can see, a little bit of discoloration here, but that might come out. But I just want to let you guys know that that is there, but no rips or tears or anything like that. Very hard color to keep clean. As you can see, there are some spots here. Premium cloth seats are in good shape. and your headliner is clear of any rips or stains or anything like that. Let's go ahead and take a look into the middle row, into the back seat. Captain's chairs, as you can see, some discoloration here. But your carpeted floor mats are in good shape. And then your seats back here are in good shape as well. Continuing on to the rear, all your chrome trim in good shape. Also wanted to mention your taillights, guys, are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. High gloss black elements back here are in good shape as well, along with your chrome badging all the way down to the lower bumper. I do see a small scuff here on the bottom lip of the lift gate. And you are going to have some scratches here around the liftgate handle. Let's take a look on this trim piece on the reverse side of the liftgate. Pretty good shape, but you will have some small scuffs. And on this trim piece here, cargo going in and out, you will have some scuffs and some marks here on either side. But the seats are in good shape. Let's go ahead and hit that button there. Continuing up the driver's side, no dents or dings to the vehicle body. No curb rash on that wheel. High gloss black elements are in good shape. And then behind the driver door handle, no scuffs. And ending up with the driver door mirror cap, you are going to have some minor cosmetic blemishes here and there. If you have any questions on this Chrysler Voyager, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy and only takes 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this Chrysler does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Please like and subscribe.